and welcome to 1608 Lands and South Seas Island Resort on Captiva. The backdrop says it all. We are at the tip. And you know what this is about here? Live simply. Live simply, definitely at this location. This is some waterfront. We've got behind us is Redfish Pass, Pine Island Sound. Yep, equals the best of the best. Golden skies, whether it is the sunrise or the sunset. So you have Pine Island Sound on this side, across to Redfish Pass, and I can see clear as day the Gulf of Mexico. Yes, astonishing, astonishing views. All while enjoying dolphins playing, manatees meandering, boats navigating along, and eye-catching activity. Yep, boats navigating along right behind me. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-story penthouse, listed for $2,149,000. The foyer separates the main level of the 2 guest bedrooms and bathrooms. Has a redesigned open kitchen, wood cabinetry, breakfast bar. Then when you go up the stairs to the upper level, aka the penthouse, it hosts the master suite. Walls of windows, open balcony, out to the waterway. Are you ready to enjoy? Let's go have a look.